Now I will show you how to copy this family for whatever families we have used or part types we have used in this project and transfer it to our architectural plans. What we need is to copy the floor trap, minerals, and water closet. So there's two ways of doing it. First, we can link this project and then copy monitor. Let's do that. Let's close the project for level 3 sanitary. Let's click save whatever changes we have. And let's load and link that file. Insert, link Revit. And here under documents, it's under this sanitary pipe. So click open. So extend so we can see where it is linked. Actually, it's here now in this area, away from our link, which is at level 3. Now what we can do is, from here we can go to collaborate, copy monitor, select link, select the link that we have, and once you have copy monitor, select link. Now here we have this copy, and let's select multiple. Now let's zoom in and copy this water closet, floor trap, and urinal. Let's copy the urinal. We don't need anything else from this file, so let's click finish first. Then down, let's go and finish. Now that we have copied monitor, it's active even with our files off. So now we can remove the link, insert, manage, remove, and let's select it and remove. Click OK. Click OK. Now we have automatically copied the files, and this we can move from this side to this position. Cannot be copied. Okay. Let's zoom extend so we can see where it is. Now we're looking at level 1, so let's go to level 1 floor plan, so extend. And now in the system tab, let's select the plumbing fixtures. Here you can see that the drain is there. Also the floor drain that we have copied using the copy monitor. Previously we don't have it. Now we also have the urinal and the water closet. So basically that is how to copy a family from another project using the link Revit command and copy monitor tools. Thank you.